In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Zoho CRM. A professional email signature can enhance your communication by offering a polished and consistent presentation every time you send an email. Let's get started on how to set that up. First, you will want to head to the Setup section of your Zoho CRM dashboard. You'll find this in the main interface, known for its comprehensive suite of options to tailor your CRM experience. Within the setup, your focus will be on the Channels segment. Click into that, and you'll see the Email option appear. This takes you to where all the email configurations happen, giving you control over different aspects of how Zoho handles emails. Now, under the Email section, there's a tab labeled Compose. Here's where we will want to scroll down slightly until you find the Email Signature section. This is the area that allows you to add personalization and professionalism to every piece of correspondence you send via Zoho CRM. Once you're there, you'll spot the Add New Signature button. Go ahead and click this. You'll be prompted to choose an email address. Picking the right address is crucial because it determines which outgoing emails will have this new signature attached. After selecting the email address, you'll be presented with a rich text and HTML editor. This editor is a powerful tool for designing your signature exactly how you want it. With the rich text editor, you can create a signature that truly reflects your brand. You can format the text using various font styles, sizes, and colors. If you're looking to highlight your contact information or make sure your name stands out, these options are incredibly useful. Furthermore, if you have specific links you'd like to include, say, your company's website or a relevant social media profile, you can easily add these as well. Additionally, the editor is capable of embedding social media icons, which can make your signature an engagement point for your recipients. Everyone likes a visual cue, so including these can make your signature more interactive. Don't forget about the importance of images. Whether it's your company logo or a professional headshot, having some visual representation can make your emails appear more polished. For this, there's an image button in the editor to insert any images you'd like to include. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to click the Save button. This communicates to Zoho CRM that your new professionally designed signature is now ready to be used. From here on, this signature will automatically be applied to all outgoing emails from your Zoho CRM, saving you time and ensuring that you always present a unified brand image with every message you send. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've not only enhanced your professionalism, but also ensured a consistent communication strategy. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.